So we're coming up on the bridge-ish area. So I'll have to switch out my battery soon. We're at 18%. It'll probably make it right under this bridge up here. We'll see. Innovation Works, Urban Technology Park with a distinctive blend of office labs and sounds like Gainesville, Florida, whatever it is. Down in Celebration Point with an E at the end of Point. Forget what they have Indigo Hotel. Indigo happens to be the color of the ribbon for targeted individuals of electronic harassment. So it was part of a major movement. You don't hear about it too much today. People have a different idea of what electronic harassment is. And that I would say there are various levels or variations of it. So, but say you're hooked up to a smart house, like a house with all equipped with smart technology, but somehow some other device takes control. Your air conditioning's coming on too much, you're paying high bills, you know. That could be in the realm, it could be used, I think, in the future, but there are other forms and some less seen. So if you can taser someone, then the technology exists to zap people within range of similar devices, I would say. That's how I would see it. That's my opinion. Stun guns, tasers. What if instead of having contact with a taser, like it could travel, like those electrical shocks or whatever it is they use, currents. Obviously you don't want to stick your finger in a socket, you know, type thing. So it's in that realm. So should I switch off and change the battery before we get on the bridge? All right, I am going to change the battery before I start the bridge walk on the way back.